Can't hear any sound while watching a stream on Discord Mobile? Don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, tap on the stream window. Look at the speaker icon in the bottom left corner of the stream. If it's crossed out, tap it once to unmute the stream audio. Now, let's force the audio to reconnect. Sometimes Discord gets confused about where to send the sound. If you're connected to a Bluetooth device, disconnect it first. Then, turn the media volume up again. After that, go back to the voice channel and long press the person who is streaming. Tap user volume and make sure it's not set to 0.
Turn it up if needed. And also check that the person isn't muted.
This setting can get lowered by accident. If the sound still isn't working, open your phone's settings. Scroll down to Apps, find Discord, and open it. From here, make sure the microphone permission is turned on. Now, go back to Discord and check if the issue is fixed. Finally, if nothing works, reinstall the app. Long press the Discord app, tap Delete App, and confirm. Then, open the App Store or Play Store, search for Discord, reinstall it, and rejoin the stream. That's it. One of these steps should fix the no sound issue on Discord Mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.